And when you're in Big Lots, you need to check out their clearance section. Okay, so I'm still here at Big Lots, and I want to show you a few other things. There are these collapsible dish racks. Now I know this looks pretty large, but look at this. It'll hold your cups, your plates, your silverware, and it's collapsible and can go right back under your sink. They have a couple of different types. They also have a narrow dish rack on the other aisle that I really liked. And they have lots of collapsible items here for sale. I have a few of these that I've purchased because I love having a container that's collapsible. But at the same time, another thing that works great in the motorhome are square containers. So look at this, you can rearrange this. Sorry about that, I was a little too close. You can arrange this where you have two larger ones, a tall skinny one in the back, and then a smaller one in the front. Love this. Plus, they latch well, and they have a hinge. They also have all these little mini keepers. And they do have, along with everything else, just like a lot of places, storage containers. But for the price, you can get quite a bit here at Big Lots. So typically I'm doing this with a selfie stick, which has a little built-in microphone type thing, and I can control it, but I'm not able to inside Big Lots here. So if you see behind me, these are all kinds of great little towels of different color groups. $8. I mean, that's pretty reasonable, I'd say. Yeah. Opposite of those towels, anything you need for the kitchen in fun color. I mean, these are great. And of course, collapsible colander. It's a whole set. I have this set. It's really nice. And I can get it back on the hook. I'll have to do it when I'm not recording. But tons of kitchen things. Just want solid black, they have it. These are really nice. There's a set of 4 bowls in here with lids, fit well in the kitchen. But here's the other drainer I was talking about. It is not collapsible, but what's really nice is it's narrow. And when you're in Big Lots, you need to check out their clearance section. It's towards the back of the store. Some great items, by the way. By the way, this is wallpaper, or whatever they call it, magic cover. So it's self-adhesive and it's removable. So if you want to redo part of a wall or one wall or a bathroom wall or whatever it is you're looking to do, you can get this. And when it's starting not to work for you or you want to change it out, you can peel it off. Here at the clearance section of Big Lots, look at this, $1.50 a roll. And pretty sweet. And they have this section with some great things every once in a while, and dirt cheap too. So look at all that. So if you need a rug, some curtains. Sometimes there's dishes back here, little picture things. Aw, isn't that nice? I love you more also. little platter. But it changes quite often. Living on the coast, these things are so popular, especially with tourists. So here, check these out. Okay, I actually kind of like this. I have a section that used to have a clock. I need to measure that and see if that'll fit. Need a massive tall lighthouse? That'd be kind of fun sitting outside. Once you've gotten to your area to park, that would be fun to sit outside your stairs or at the corner of your motorhome. And it lights up. It goes around in circles at the top. Right here, goes around, lights up. Kind of fun. People need to find you, say just look for the lighthouse. So there you go. Like I said, this stuff sells really well out on the coast. So maybe it sells well here too. Last but not least here at Big Lots are lights. Some of these are solar powered. Look how cool these are. This is a great thing to hang out on your awning or just off the edge of the RV. On the edge of the RV is what I did during the winter for my Christmas lights and my lights. This one doesn't light up. I mean, it will. You have to plug it in. You do have to look whether they're for indoor or outdoor use. And you also plug string into string into string. I mean, they have quite a few. I know they're showing them bushes. Great for a house if that's what you're doing. But in a motorhome, I love this kind of stuff. Okay, those are kind of fun little, I know it might be hard to tell. See that little metal globes around the bulb? This is $15. It's 9 foot long. That works perfect on my awning. That would be sweet. Oh my God. This is cool looking. I could hang that on each end of my... Oops, sorry. There's like so many things here trying to move them around. So I got things at Big Lots, a few things that is, that being one of them. Once I paint this wall, that'll show up a lot better. It says Live Simply, of course. And there's some Rosalie's artwork hanging up. And then of course, I had to get that. So cool. Yep. So that came from Big Lots. Sorry about the flickering light. I hate it when that happens. Anyway. You guys have a great night and enjoy your evening. Bye.